Assalamu alaikum. My dear students of class 5, how are you all? Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the kindness of Allah the Exalted. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Wahednur, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School District. Today I am going to take the class of Islamic Studies for class 5. And today our topic is SQ, Short Question Answer 23 to 30. Part 5, chapter number 1, lecture number 13, HW number 10. My beloved student, this is the last short question answer. Inshallah, next class we will discuss about the broad question answer from exercise, inshallah. So today's short question answer I collected from the PEC exam 2019 and 2018. So this type of short question you will get in the exam. So be careful and keep attention here. So at first you have to understand what saying the question. If you understand the question, then you can give very easily the answer. So let's start. First question is 23 number. For which virtue of Allah do we get forgiveness? What does it mean? It means Allah have many kinds of virtues, I mean qualities, attributes. So among the many of the attributive names or attributes or qualities, which virtues Almighty Allah will forgive us? That is the question. So answer is, for the virtue of Allahu Ghafurun, we get forgiveness from Allah. So I hope you understood, because Allahu Ghafurun means Allah is the often forgiving or Allah is the forgiver. So according to these attributes, this virtue, Almighty Allah will forgive us. Well, now question number 24. Write 2 deeds that you do to get something good in the Akhirat. Answer: 2 deeds that I do to get something good in the Akhirat are give food to the poor and always speak the truth. My beloved students, here said you have to write any 2 kinds of good activities. If you do that, then you will get Jannat, you will get the good result in the Akhirat. So what will be that 2 good works? You can write any kinds of 2 words. I written there, it's not mandatory you have to write, you must be write only these 2 sentences. You can write the another type of, for example, I will perform the prayers 5 times and then I will pay the zakat. Or you can write, I will speak nicely with others, or I will behave well with others. So this type of good activities you can write, for what you can get the next life, I mean in Akhirat, the Jannat. Well, now question number 25. What do you do if there is any misdeed? Answer: I will ask for Allah's forgiveness if there is any misdeed. Students, we are doing many of the sinful activities. So if any of the times by mistake, if we do any misdeeds means any wrong activities, any sinful activities, then what should we do? So we should do the forgiveness to the Almighty Allah. That is the answer. Or we should ask the forgiveness to the Almighty Allah. Now question number 26. What should we do to get rid of the suffering in the grave? Students, read means refrain, emancipation. So what should we do to get rid of the sufferings in the grave? Answer: we should refrain from committing any sin to get rid of the sufferings in the grave. It means every human beings will face the punishment or comfort in the grave. So what should we do for refrain from the punishment in the punishment of the grave? So it's very easy. We should do the good deeds, or you can write, we should refrain, we should aloof, we should live from the committing of the bad activities, from committing of the sinful activities. That is the answer. Now question number 27. Allah is all powerful. Write 2 sentences about it. My beloved students, keep attention here. There is the sentence Allah is all powerful. So Allahu Qadirun, that Arabic meaning is Allah is all powerful. So according to this sentence, you have to write only 2 sentences about Allah is all powerful. So answer is 2 sentences about I written by mistake 2 times, students. Here will be 1 time. So 2 sentences about Allah is all powerful are: number 1, everything on the earth and below the sky is under the supreme power of Allah. And number 2, if Allah wants to do good to anyone, nobody can harm him. So this is the answer of Allahu Qadirun means. So Allahu Qadirun means what Allah can do. So Allah can do many of the things. So according to this idea, according to yourself, you will write about Allah's power. So that is the answer. Allah can do everything whatever He desire. If Allah wants to do good to anyone, nobody can resist Him. Or if Allah wants to harm to anyone, or if Allah wants to punish to anyone, nobody can resist to the Almighty Allah. Nobody can stop to the Almighty Allah. Now question number 28. What do you do when you promise to anyone? It's very easy. I hope you understood. Answer: I shall keep my words when I promise to anyone. Now question number 29. Write 2 sentences about the horror of Qiyamah. Answer: on that day, the sun, the planets and their satellites will be collide. Collide means will be destroyed, collision. And number 2, the earth and everything on it will be destroyed. Students, you have to write about the situation of the Qiyamah. When the Israfil alayhi salam will blow the trumpet, the Qiyamah will be started, then what will be the situation? You know, the sun, the planets, everything will be collide with each other, and the hills will be fly like the cotton, or whole the universe will be destroyed. So like that you can write from yourself. This is called the competency based. Competency based means you have to create from yourself. That is called competency based. Now question number 30, last question. Write 2 activities what you do to achieve Jannat. Students, what will you do for getting the Jannat? That is the question. For example, you will do the good activities obviously. So you have to write any of the good activities, then you will get the Jannat. That is 2 sentences. So I written here, I guard my tongue from telling lies. It means I will control my tongue from telling lies. It means I will never tell a lie. And number 2, I will help the helpless people. My beloved students, you can write out of these 2 whatever you desire, the good 2 activities. So it's not mandatory writing these 2 sentences. So I hope you understood. Now keep attention to the HW. HW is any 3 only answer. SQ any 3 only answer from here. So there are 8 short question. Here 8 short question. You will write any 3 as your wish, but you have to write only answer. No need to pick up the sentences. And my beloved students, see there I written 2019, 2019. So all of this question came in PEC 2019. Only last one came 2018. So this type of question you will get in the exam. I hope you understood, my beloved students. Keep practicing at home to avoid by your parents. See you next class inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.